Buenas tardes, good afternoon, bon pomeriggio, bon après-midi, annyeonghaseyo. Welcome back to the vlog. Today we are heading to the beach. Yep, the beaches here in Hawaii have opened up and my husband is just dying to get back on a kayak, so that's what we're gonna go do. Hopefully I'll be able to get some footage while we're on there without losing my phone in the water. Remember, there are playlists in the description box below with more videos of my life with Crohn's disease and as a military spouse. He's so ready to go. Later tonight, we also have a barbecue over at my sister-in-law's house. So I'm going to try to get some footage of my dogs playing with their dogs because I believe there are 4 of them over there. They own 2, they're fostering 1, and a friend is staying over at their house. Long story about COVID and PCSing, which is moving to someplace else. Neighbors. So she has a dog too. There are 4. We'll see how that goes. Hopefully it won't be cloudy when we get there. As you can see, it's pretty cloudy here, but where we live, it's normally cloudy. We'll see what we run into, but I'll try to show you some sights on the way there, even though you've already seen North Shore. If you haven't, I do have some more videos that you can check out. We're here, not a soul on the beach has a mask on, which I completely understand because you're trying to breathe in salt water, or was it salt air, salty air? I don't even know how to say it. Salitre, that's what we call it in Spanish, salitre. This is a completely new experience after I don't even know how many weeks of social distancing and quarantining and isolation and all that stuff, so we'll see what we run into. ¿Dónde?
A la derecha. A la derecha.
Por fin la cogí. Oh, we gotta put our masks on because we're going inside a store. Check this out.
I can talk to you while I'm doing this.
Teenager, if he wants to make his way to finals. Oahu is taking a bit of a breather, and that's going to be unfortunate for Haleiwa. It's going to be fortunate.
¿En dónde? No hay letrero por ningún lado.
Sorry we couldn't record the way over here. We're actually going to stop by a cafe from a friend of ours who just recently reopened before it closes real quick. I couldn't record because I got an incoming call from my parents because today, May 23rd, is my dad's birthday. And I completely forgot that today's the 23rd. I didn't forget his birthday. Come on, I'm 33 years old. I know when my dad's birthday is. I just completely forgot that. Ay, caramba. Today is May 23rd. So somehow it didn't compute in my mind. I felt so bad. My parents called like, are you okay? Yeah, we're fine. We're at the beach. They recently reopened everything. Like, oh, okay. Just wanted you to say happy birthday to your dad. And I went, ah! I'm such a bad daughter. But they understood with this whole COVID situation, we're not keeping track of dates anymore, so it was bad. I still feel bad. My dad's fine with it. He's just peachy. He could have waited for me to call him tomorrow, but I still feel like a bad daughter. Anywho, we're gonna go into this place. Why am I all twisted? What's going on?
I don't know, you did it.
We're gonna go into this place and then go home, get ready to go to my sister-in-law's house for a barbecue. I can't show you guys any more views on the way back because my hands are full. We got some ceviche for the barbecue and some ginger shots. This one right here, the yellow one, and this is a chaser. It's lemon, cucumber, spinach, and mint. And I got a pint of lavender ice cream, vegan, plant-based lavender ice cream. Can't wait to try it. Plus the 2 pizzas. So yeah, sorry I can't show you guys anymore. See you later at the barbecue. This is what I used to look like when I walked them by myself. Yep, that's me. Luna grabs everything. Lali is a zigzagger, and Luna picks everything up from the ground. We're going home now. We had a very nice time. They had a friend over too, and we had 4 extra doggies for them to play with. Clearly, if we're leaving at this hour, we had a lot of fun. So it was a really nice, just calm chat. Not a lot going on. Didn't even have the TV on. It was all just talk and food. And of course, because she's my sister-in-law, she prepared some safe food for me, no issues. Social distancing took a bigger toll on me than I realized because I've always been a bit of a loner. I used to just be by myself a lot, especially growing up. Bit of an outcast. I did have my friends. If they're watching, you know that. I used to have some friends in school, and I had a neighbor I used to play with quite a bit. My cousins, I have 2 of them who used to share with me and sleep over, but I used to keep to myself more than anything, so I thought social distancing wasn't a big deal, and it's not until I started sharing with people, something fell on my head. Oh, a drop of water. It wasn't until I started sharing with people again that I said, oh my goodness, I do miss this. I miss these people and I miss the interaction. So when you do start sharing with your friends and family again, please just be safe. We practiced social distancing while we were there. None of us were wearing masks, but we never hugged, and we were all sitting very far apart from each other. Wow, that's loud. Be logical, you know, use your common sense and be safe when you start doing parties at home and whatnot. We're gonna go home, feed the doggies now. I'll try to do a little bit of the Korean thing, the 5 minutes for you to check out in a separate video, and just get ready for bed. Tomorrow is a big day for these 2 because they're going over to the groomers. Yep, all right, we're here. Mask is on. This is my second trip to the restroom in less than half an hour. GI issues kind of day, I suppose. I don't think I'm doing that great. Now he's outside without me because I don't feel great. I'm not dying, I don't need medicine, I don't need to go to the hospital or anything. It's just, I feel very uncomfortable. My printer is still on the fritz and I can't run my home business without it. So until I can get it fixed or get a new printer, I have friends printing things for me. The friend left me hanging high and dry, doesn't answer the phone, doesn't answer text messages, did not print out the label that I asked for yesterday. So my husband is trying to fiddle around with the printer.